Number 5. Nikon Coolpix P950. With 16 megapixels of resolution and an 83x optical zoom and 166x dynamic fine zoom, this camera is a real powerhouse in a compact package. The built-in bird and moon modes, along with scene modes, make shooting a breeze. Even for beginners, the max focal length of 2000 millimeters allows you to get up close and personal with your subjects, whether you're shooting stills or capturing 4K UHD video. The video capture resolution is top-notch, ensuring your videos will be crisp and clear. What I love the most about the Coolpix P950 is its versatility. It's perfect for capturing everything from wildlife to landscapes to family gatherings. The ability to switch between stills and video seamlessly makes it a great all-around camera. If I had to nitpick, I would say that the camera size may be a bit bulky for some users. However, the trade-off is well worth it for the quality of photos and videos you'll be able to capture. Plus, the camera's functionality more than makes up for its size. In conclusion, the Nikon Coolpix P950 is the best portable bridge camera on the market. Its high-resolution capabilities, powerful zoom, and user-friendly features set it apart from similar models. If you're in the market for a versatile camera that delivers outstanding results, then you need to check out the Nikon Coolpix P950.